In receiving your Eco Series fire feature from Lumacast, along with the premium concrete fire feature itself, it will also include the AB8 Burner System in its own box, 2 bottles of plant-based E-NRG Bioethanol fuel, and the infill media of your choice. Open the box that houses the AB8 Burner System to inspect the contents. In it will be the main stainless steel burner component, 1 jerry can, 1 butane can for lighter refills, the E-NRG Adaptor, a fuel nozzle safety spout, the burner lid, safety documents, and the lighting rod components in a box. Be sure to read all the documentation included in the safety documents package before proceeding. Remove the plastic covering from the burner component, and for a more efficient fire, place the efficiency ring on the opening of the burner component, and place the burner lid on top. Remove the lighting rod from the box and keep it handy for lighting the fire feature. Inside the documents packet will be the lighter. Going over to your fire feature, gently place the burner component onto your fire feature and place the lid on top. Open the bag of infill media and gently place this on the base area of your fire feature, being careful not to cover the burner lid. Spread your infill media so it's covering the base evenly. Again, being sure that it does not cover the lid area of the burner component. Open the lid when done. Taking your jerry can, use the 2 bottles of E-NRG Bioethanol fuel and empty its contents into the jerry can carefully. Then place the fuel nozzle safety spout on the jerry can, making sure the ring of the spout is securely tightened to the jerry can. Bring your jerry can to the fire feature and remove the burner lid. Insert the jerry can nozzle into the burner filling point located in the center of the burner component. Push the green button on the fuel nozzle to start the flow of fuel. The nozzle will automatically stop filling once the reservoir reaches max capacity. Now to light the fire feature. With the lighting rod in hand, extend the rod and dip the rod's tip into the burner reservoir to wet the tip with fuel. With your included lighter, light the tip of the rod to ignite the flame, and dip the ignited rod into the reservoir until the flame ignites on the fire feature. To extinguish the flame, use the hook at the end of the lighting rod to attach the burner lid and place the lid over the burner reservoir to cover and extinguish the flame. Here are some important points to know. Refueling should only be done via the jerry can. Never pour your fuel directly into the reservoir. When refueling, allow the burner sufficient time to cool off before refueling and reignition. We suggest waiting at least 1 hour, but always refer to your user guide. E-NRG fuel is the only recommended fuel for use with your EcoSmart AB8 burner system. It has been specially formulated to provide the best user experience and has undergone rigorous third-party testing with all EcoSmart Fire ethanol fireplaces. Using any other fuel type may damage your unit and void your warranty. You can purchase more fuel for your AB8 burner system by going to E-NRG's website or EcoSmart Fire's Amazon portal. We hope you enjoy your Lumacast Eco Fire feature. For any other questions you may have, please contact us.